Thank you, PD. Thank you, Gracebreed, for this great opportunity. We have gotten our own drugs. God bless you. Amen.
Thank you so much. I'm very happy because my mom was able to get our glasses through this archery that you guys did. So thank you so
much. Gracebreed, but you have really bring grace to the village. We have nothing to tell you other than to say God bless you, God bless you.
All the noise dies down, Lord, speak to me now. You have all my attention, I will linger and listen, I can't miss a thing.
For bringing this opportunity to Pida village. So I'm so happy. I appreciate you. With people in the Pida, we are so happy. At least I'm one of the people that benefit too. So you can see, I've tested my eye, then I get my eyeglass. So we really appreciate and we pray that God will help you to go more, to do more for people. In Jesus' name.
Deeper, Lord, I will open up again, throw my fears into the wind. I am desperate for a touch of His.